Business studies is a subject which is the easiest but is hated by a lot of students because it requires us to remember a lot of things. Even I hated it, but I followed simple study habits that changed everything for me, and I scored 93 in business studies. So today I am going to share those habits with you all. So the first thing that I did was choosing the right teacher for the subject. Now business studies is a subject, there's a lot of theory in it, and it is quite difficult to remember things. But when you get a teacher who explains you everything, each and every topic with an example, it becomes really easy to remember those things. And such a teacher is Disha Karia ma'am. Now second thing is way of watching lectures. Now I have shared this in my previous video as well, but this is the thing that I followed with consistency. So I did not do any unique or things which can't be done. These tips are very realistic and I followed them only. So the way you should watch a video is when you watch a lecture, make sure that you sit with a pen and a book. Make sure that you are actively watching the video. Whenever the teacher explains any topic and she's finished with the topic, pause the video, write it down, write the things that you can remember from what the explanation had been given. Simple. Do it for each and every topic, for each and every chapter till the very end. Now how does this work? This helps you to retain things. This reduces efforts as you're making your notes while you're watching the video. Third thing, it makes sure that you are actively watching the lecture. So my next study habit is reading. Now after completing a whole chapter, I would I would read it from the textbook, and my purpose for reading was understanding the explanation given of each and every topic. Even though I had written it in my notes after explanation, but still get to know the keywords and everything, because when you write your answer in boards, you need to make sure that you use the keywords. So for that, reading is really important, because those keywords, especially in business studies, those keywords come in your case study, and then when you have read everything, when you know the keywords, it is very simple for you to identify the feature or anything from the case study. My next study habit is revising, and there's a very simple way how you should revise things. You have watched the lecture, completed the chapter, you have read the chapter. Now what you do is take a rough book or take your business studies book and write down the topic, its definition, features, everything. Don't write the explanation, just write the topic and the headings and subheadings. Do your first revision, second revision, do the same way. Now from third time, what you can do is just recall everything in your mind, visualize everything in your mind, visualize the notes, visualize the explanation, everything in your mind. Now this is very effective. Do it regularly, you will genuinely feel the difference. You will remember things very nicely. This is the thing I have been following from 11th, so I can say that it really helps. You need to revise. Now if you are studying the first chapter in the month of June, or you have studied it in the month of April, you will have to keep revising it till your board exam. Otherwise you will forget it, and then you will have to read it from scratch. The final thing is practicing a lot of case studies and MCQs. I myself have practiced a lot of case study. Now we all know that questions repeat, and there's not going to be a much difference in the way the questions pattern. That's why practice the questions from NCERT, Poonam Gandhi, or any other book that you have, PYQs and Oswal publications, which I use for practicing questions. But moreover, I practice from Poonam Gandhi and PYQs. So if you do not like business studies just because you find it difficult to remember the things, follow the study habits that I've shared. Habits are very simple, as I have mentioned. Please follow it with consistency. You will surely see the difference. Thank you.